Okay, we're back again. All right, I got this head off. Okay, can you see the garbage that's in the bottom of this thing? It is filthy. Wow. Wasn't expecting to see that. That is the dirtiest fuel pump I have ever seen. These filters, this has to be OEM. The filter is absolutely disgusting. And there's so much stuff in there. Yeah, okay, the things you find. Let me lift it up a little bit more. You could see all of the gunk. Sand. Like, I don't even know, bug pieces maybe? Whatever that is, gonna be cleaned out now. That is disgusting. Well, this pump, I'm not saying it was on its last leg, but I was definitely having issues. I don't know if you could, it is actually built up with gunk, garbage, dirt. The tank was so clean, but this is where all the mess went, which makes sense, especially if you run your car, if you run on the edge of the dark side, and E all the time, this is what you get. Not that I run on E all the time, I definitely don't, but previous owners did. This is why you don't want to run so low on fuel. It starts to suck up all the bad stuff. Yeah, I am going to put a external filter on this as well. That is disgusting. Because, yeah, there's a flow, a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I can't say it was stopping it, but who knows? Depending on how much has been broken down, filtered through, and into that pump, that pump could have had an issue. So, but big old 455 going on it.